For its advocates, the financialisation of nature means putting a price tag on nature and the roles it plays in order to protect it. But the models they use to do this are based on a limited number of ecosystems and functions. The monetary valuation methods are thus biased and grossly underestimate the values they claim to measure. They generate meaningless figures for something that is not actually nature. This results in misguided policy decisions and only makes it cheaper and easier to destroy nature. Turns nature into something interchangeable, as though it is just another object. Artificially separates nature from peoples, ignoring the inextricable bonds. Erases the spiritual, cultural, and social value of nature. Another form of greenwashing that legitimizes the destruction of nature. Privatizes nature and its functions. Prevents Indigenous peoples and local communities from practicing their traditional activities. Robs them of the power to make decisions and exert control over their forests, biodiversity, and territories. Robs them of their collective rights. Violates human rights, including the right to self-determination, the right to land, and the right to decide and have access to information to make decisions freely and independently. It is green neoliberalism in action, benefiting less than 1% of the population whilst negatively impacting the rest.